How to recover an unsaved Photoshop file caused by accidentally closed Photoshop without saving or program crash. And how to recover deleted Photoshop files due to wrong deletion, hard drive formatting, or other reasons. In this video, we will discuss how to recover Photoshop files from these two aspects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and let's dive in. Method 1. Recover deleted or lost PSD files with 4DDiG. If you want to recover deleted or lost PSD files from your computer or external hard drive, you can't miss 4DDiG data recovery. 4DDiG can help you recover all lost data easily, just in a few clicks. Launch 4DDiG. Select the disk where you lost your files and click Scan. Select the files you want to recover and scan all file types. Find your lost PSD file. You can click on the filter to display only the file types you want. If you remember the file name, you can also search in the search box, which is the fastest way to find the target file. Then click Recover. Save it to another location and confirm it. Now your deleted PSD file gets back. Method 2. Recover unsaved PSD file from Autosave. Autosave is a lifesaver function in Photoshop, and usually it's turned on by default. To check if Autosave turns on, click Edit on the top menu and select Preferences. Then choose File Handling and see File Saving option. Check if the automatic save recovery information every minute is marked. If you have set up the Autosave function, you can recover the unsaved PSD file from Photoshop backup files in the Auto Recover folder after a software failure, freeze, or accidental closure. Open the C drive. Click User, Administrator, App Data, Roaming, Adobe Photoshop 2023, Auto Cover. You will find your auto-saved PSD file. Method 3. Restore unsaved Photoshop file from recent file. To protect items you are working on with Photoshop, the Photoshop program keeps a list of the recently opened file. Open the Photoshop. Click File from the top menu. Select Open Recent. You may find your lost and unsaved PSD file. So this is today's tutorial on how to recover an unsaved Photoshop file. Hope these methods can help you. I will be grateful if you subscribe. See you next time.